let's discuss some of the benefits of using BIM or Building Information Modeling in construction projects. First, it increases collaboration and coordination by using a shared digital workspace called the CDE or Common Data Environment. The Common Data Environment is a centralized digital space on the cloud where we store all the project documents or all the project data, whether it's 3D models or documents, construction documents, or the 2D drawings generated by the 3D BIM model. One more thing, it reduces construction time and cost by applying the construction simulation and accurate cost estimation, which is the main focus of this course. We will be talking about the construction and cost estimation simulation. Another thing, it enhances sustainability of the project or of the overall buildings, as it studies the environmental impacts of the building on the environment. One last thing, it improves facility management as it manages the building facilities and system during the operation phase of the project.